A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. Today, we delve into a pivotal moment in American history that highlights the delicate balance between governmental authority and individual rights. On July 17, 1862, Congress enacted the Confiscation Act, a law that empowered the government to seize property owned by individuals deemed to be in rebellion against the Union during the Civil War. This act was a significant step in the government's efforts to undermine the Confederate rebellion and to reclaim control over the seceded states. The ramifications of this legislation were profound, leading to a series of legal challenges that would ultimately reach the Supreme Court in what became known as the confiscation cases of 1873. The Confiscation Act was not merely a wartime measure. It represented a fundamental shift in the understanding of property rights in the United States. As the nation grappled with the implications of civil war, the act raised critical questions about the extent of government power. Can the state rightfully seize property from its citizens? Under what circumstances is such action justified? These questions are as relevant today as they were over a century ago. The Supreme Court's involvement in the confiscation cases sought to clarify the constitutionality of the act. The court's decision ultimately upheld the government's right to confiscate property, but it also underscored the importance of due process and the need for legal safeguards to protect citizens from potential abuses of power. This tension between the necessity of government action in times of crisis and the protection of individual rights continues to resonate in contemporary political discourse. Fast forward to today, and we see echoes of this historical debate in various policy discussions. From discussions surrounding eminent domain to the government's role in regulating private property, the legacy of the Confiscation Act serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggle to balance state power with individual liberties. As we reflect on this important historical moment, it is crucial to consider how the lessons learned from the past can inform our understanding of current and future legislation. As we navigate the complexities of modern governance, the principles established during the Civil War era remain pertinent. The Confiscation Act and its subsequent legal challenges remind us that while the government has the authority to act in the interest of public safety and national security, it must do so with a keen awareness of the rights of its citizens. The ongoing dialogue about property rights, government authority, and individual freedoms continues to shape our legal landscape, making it essential for us to engage with these historical precedents as we move forward in our democratic society. In conclusion, the Confiscation Act represents a critical juncture in American history, one that challenges us to reflect on the balance between government power and individual rights. As we continue to confront similar issues today, let us draw from the lessons of the past to guide our discussions and decisions in the present. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.